Did you know Manitou makes the best pontoon on the market? Come on, let me show you. Let's start with the tunes. Technically, they don't call this a tri-tune, they call this a V-tune. Now notice this middle tune. Look how sharp the nose cone is on it. And it's 6 inches deeper than the other tunes. What that's gonna do, that's gonna allow the Manitou to bank a lot better, handle a lot better, drive more like a V-tune than it does a tri-tune. Having all the tunes the same size, they just don't turn as good. That's the game changer, and yes, this is BRP, the same people who bring you Canam, the same people that bring you Seadoo. Next, let's talk about the sides. Look at the fit and finish of the outside of this boat. You do have your LED lights on the front. Not only does it look good, but it's very functional as well. And let's talk about the technology on this boat, okay? First off, super comfortable captain's chair, but on this thing, you know, I have the nice Garmin on it with my GPS. Also, I have the Fusion Bluetooth radio on it. It actually even has a cubby for your phone that's gonna charge your phone wireless. Even the steering wheel, guys, from Italy, like it came out of a supercar. Now let's talk about some of the comforts on this boat. First off, look at the fit and finish. I mean, this is all very, very good material, looks amazing, cleans up really easy, but it's very functional too. As you can see right here, if you want to turn this into a table, I can actually fold this up. Now I can have a table, maybe for a sunset dinner, but this is exclusive to Manitou as well. Every tri-tune is gonna have to have a back gate on it. Well, they use these seats as the back gate. I can actually fold the back gate up. As you can see, I can lay out on the back of the boat. Sunset cruise. This is luxury, guys. This is what sets Manitou apart, okay? Now let's talk about my favorite thing about this boat. And as you can see, this is the Explorer 22+4. Let me show you what the +4 is. Come with me. The +4, as you can see this deck back here, you're gonna get an additional 4 foot of decking back here, a nice swim platform. The reason they can do that is because of this new 150S Rotax motor. This motor, instead of doing it vertically, they do it horizontally. Look, you can still trim it up, and the best thing about this motor is a super efficient, super quiet 2-stroke, okay? You put premix in it every 100 hours, less maintenance than most 4-strokes, believe it or not. And this is a brand new design from Rotax, okay? I love a 2-stroke. Everybody loves a 2-stroke. That was just a quick walk around on the Manitou Explorer, but there's a lot more where that came from.